Today we're taking a look at the Equal-i-zer 4-point Sway Control Hitch. Right now you're looking at the bracket, the Sway Control bracket. There's two of them that it comes with. It does also come with all the necessary attachments, bolts, etc. to apply and install the complete system. This right here is the spring bar, and as you can see, it is put on with a wrench. This wrench is a leverage wrench and is also included in the kit as well. This Equal-i-zer hitch does have a 1,000 pound tongue weight limit and a 10,000 pound trailer weight, and it does include the shank, as you can see here, and the shank is adjustable from a 3-inch drop to a 7-inch rise. And as an anti-sway mechanism, it has worked well.